Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, this morning we are going to be making plantain moi moi. Yes, so over here are all my ripe plantain. So this plantain, they are very ripe, while some are still a little bit okay. So guys, if you have ripe plantain at home, please don't throw them away because they have use. So what I'm going to be making is called plantain moi moi. Why in my beautiful dialect it is called a mieki. We called it a mieki. So that is what my grandmothers used to make. When my grandmother made this moi moi for you, you are going to love it and lick your hands. So guys, it's so delicious, guys, so delicious. So I'm going to be introducing my ingredients. So over here is my ripe plantain. As I said earlier, don't throw away your ripe plantain. And number two, I have red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and some onions over there. I have a cup of red oil here, curry powder, that is my powder mangin. I also have some salt, dry crumbs. I'm going to be using this crayfish, and some powdered plantain. So this is powdered plantain. So this is the green one after it has been dried. So this is it, and we call it in my beautiful dialect elubo. So let's just dive into the video. So after blended, it becomes more fluffy. So that is where we need to add, plantain flour to it. So guys, it's time to combine all our things together. So first of all, I'm going to be taking half of my plantain powder. I'm going to be adding it just because of it now, as I said earlier. Then I'm also going to be adding, as time goes on, then I'm going to be adding my blended pepper into it. And I'm going to combine everything together. I'm also going to be adding curry, and I'm going to mix, combine it together, make sure everything is well incorporated before adding my crayfish. So guys, we are ready to wrap. You guys remember our leaves, no? Yeah, our leaves. So it's what we are going to be using, to wrap our plantain moi moi. Though I'm not good in wrapping, so let's just, you know, see how it goes. So it's good for someone that's, you know, that is not a professional to do it down first, you know. So this is it. So when it's too small, then I double it. When it's just a small one, then I will double it into 2. I think my grandmom always add beans that time. I can't remember. She always add beans into it. So guys, so it's time, you know, to cook. So I'm going to be putting this came with my microwave. I always use it to, you know, to make my meat. So I'm going to be putting it in there while we go ahead and guys, our plantain moi moi is ready. Though it's still hot, still very hot, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks in there. This is it. It looks so yummy, delicious and tasty. Yeah. So delicious, guys. Thank you also so much if you have watched up to this extent. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye.